Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you are new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I'm going to be sharing how I pack my 12Littles companion backpack for 2, so let's just get right to it. So this is my companion backpack, and I am going to start off with the outside pockets. It has insulated pockets at the side, so I have my daughter's water bottle, and on the other side I have my son's. In this front pocket it has a really strong magnet. I keep Kleenex and wet ones. In this pocket at the top, I have my Sensible Mama fob, which was a gift from Amber. This is where I keep my phone. It's an iPhone 8 Plus, and I also have my earbuds in there. In this pocket, which I use as a mommy pocket, I love the inside lining. I have this kind of month at a glance planner from my Erin Condren, and I also always keep my Sensible Mama pen attached there. I have a small set piece in black petals, and this has a bunch of different lip products, mints, and a hairspring. I also have my wallet in there. This is just a small card holder by Coach, and I also have a little hand sanitizer attached to this zipper. Okay, so moving on to the inside, this is what it looks like on the inside. It has nice pockets and really great space. Over here, kind of tucked to the side, I have some water. In this back elastic pocket, I have the change pad that comes with the bag, and a coin purse from Jujubee. This is in Sea Punk, and this just has a foldable brush, a bunch of bobby pins and hair ties, hair elastics, band-aids, just small things. In the other elastic pocket, I have a play pack for each of my kids, and there is a zippered pocket right here in the front. I keep a bunch of randoms in there. I have a Nice Hampton coin purse. This has a bunch of Dum Dum lollipops, my Kate Spade phone charger, a little flashlight, some nail clippers, and a nail file. And then in the middle I have a large set piece, and then there are 2 pockets in the front. One is much wider than the other. In this one I have a medium set piece in the Sakura Swirl print. This is the rose gold, and this has a ton of snacks like bars and pouches and fruit snacks and things like that. And in the other pocket I have a small set piece in the same print, and this has my kids' cars for when we're out of the house. And then in the main compartment of the bag I have 2 books, a wipe pouch, which is a reusable wipes case in the Capricorn print, and a large set piece. This has 2 diapers and a change pad, and that's it. Also kind of tossed in the middle of the bag is this EOS lip balm, and that's it for the main compartment. There is one other pocket in the back, and that's right here in the bottom. And in here I just have a Jujubee web bag. This is a small one that comes with the Be Equipped. Okay, so I have been loving this bag. I got it because I am looking for something that can accommodate things for all of my 3 kids that are going to be in diapers, obviously. And even if they aren't in diapers, my 2-year-olds, I'm gonna still need to carry clothes and different things for them. So, you know, I'm gonna need a big bag. And I absolutely love the size of this bag because it doesn't seem huge to me, but it has a lot of space. It's nice and light. The color is beautiful. I got it on sale and I used a coupon on Bye Bye Baby, and I love it. I really think it's amazing. I love this bag so much. So I hope that this was useful, and if it was, I would love it if you would show me with a big thumbs up. And I am going to share how I pack it for 3 in a few weeks. So if that's something that you are interested in, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.